So guys, today we're working on 2009 full escape 3.0 liter engine. So this vehicle, the customer complained he drive it for a while after started and the engine had died. And then he told me he pull over and then wait for a little bit and then it start again and drive it a little more and then it die again. Engine start and die, and that's why the vehicle is here today. So anyway, as you can see, let me see. And also he said the check engine light it came on, I confirm the customer complained. Yeah, the check engine light came on or not. We have to start the engine. As you can see, the engine running right now, and as you can see, the check engine light appear right there. So in this case, I would like to do to run the code and to see any code that belong to the sensor, something like that. It make the engine start. Let's go ahead and run the code, see what's going on. Okay guys, I have the cancel here ready to read the code and to see what we have here. Okay guys, we have 1285 cylinder head temperature too high and 1299 cylinder head temperature protection active. Okay, what I would like to do here, I don't know, when the computer set for protection, I believe the software will shut down the engine. Don't let the driver drive anymore when the engine temperature is too high like this. Let me see when the computer set for the code. Okay, as you can see on the page 1, okay guys, as you can see, the engine coolant temperature is 253 degrees. It's too high, or not good at all. I don't know why the radiator fan not turn on or not, or that radiator fan. Let me see. Oh man, the engine just after started just 288. Okay, anyway, the vehicle. Okay, anyway, keep in mind that the engine coolant temperature is 253 degrees, guys. This should not be like that. And when the computer see this is too hot, and then the computer may shut down the engine. Okay, let's see. Let me start the engine. You guys see the engine run right now. You look at the temperature gauge, seeing the engine start now, maybe half a minute, but as you can see, the temperature dry too fast. Okay, what I would like to do, let's see, 1285, 1299. Let's see let me see, where is it? Okay, we have here The cylinder head temperature indicator lamp. See the head temperature sensor status. See the head temperature sensor degree. And see the head temperature voltage. I think that's all we need for now. Okay, let's see. As you can see, I just ran the engine for like less than a minute. But why is 170 degrees right now? Okay guys, what I would like to do right now, the AC up. I wanna turn on the AC. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, the AC on, guys. Let's go under the hood and see. We have the fan turn on when we turn the AC on or not. If the fan motor is die, the car will be hot. You can see when I turn the AC, the fan is on. That means the fan is good. Yeah, on this side also, the fan is on. And as you can see, it's cool. Not too low. And what the Oh man. Oh man, as you can see right there. Have you ever seen like that? Let's have a look. Yeah, 188, 190 right now. And you know why this engine is running too hot? Because no coolant pump at all, no water pump. Okay, let me go ahead. I don't want the wind to blow it to my camera microphone. Let me turn this off. Okay guys, we found the problem, but I don't know why. Let me do another light for you guys, easy to see. Came out, no bell anymore. Down here, a little pulley for the water pump. You can see on my finger here, guys. Yeah, this one. Oh man, it's hot. Yeah, we don't. I cannot touch the water pump pulley right now. But anyway, we found this engine. No water pump bell at all. That's why it's running hot. Right now 199 degrees. And as you can see, the cylinder head temperature is responding okay right now. It's half a room, and the status is no air. Okay. So let me turn off the engine. And able to touch the water pump pulley. Okay guys, the engine is off right now, and let me try to spin the water pump pulley by hand. Let's see. As you can see right there. Hopefully you guys see that. And reaching. Oh no. Oh hell no. Now you guys see we have the time the water pump bell, it came up, but you have to do something before you tell the customer. This vehicle, it seems to be something stuck. You know why? Okay guys, let me remove the something around here and check for the water pump. Look like the water pump, it gets stuck, and then when the engine run and broken the belt. Let me remove this and will show you guys how. I just touched the water pump pulley by just on the top of my finger, but I cannot spin it. Okay, let me remove them. Remove everything, the stuff around here, able to set the water pump pulley and see how the water pump condition. Okay guys, I have the air hose removed from the throttle body, and let me have room to, you can see the water pump pulley right here. Yeah, this one, the camshaft pulley, and will dry the water pump. But again, when you guys have the problem like this, we have to do some more to figure out why the belt broken. If you should see by checking, look at around, you won't see the bell anymore. You call the customer, hey, you need the bell because no bell, no water pump, the coolant no pumping, and that's why overheat. And then when the customer agrees to put the bell in and agree to pay for the cost, and then after that, if you guys call again, oh no, the bell broken because it's stuck water pump, something like that. No, don't do that. Go ahead and let me try to put my finger here. Oh no guys, the water pump has no spin at all. No more. Okay, easy to see. I wanna do this for you guys, easy to see in the video. Yep, I'm up the yellow color right there on the top, and when I try to spin the water pump, and you can see no any moving. Okay guys, that's it guys. When you get the problem like this, if you read the code, if you don't pay attention on the free frame data, why the computer set the code and when the computer set the code, and then if you think and you do the part changer way, you replace the cylinder head temperature sensor, and it might not fit the problem, and this vehicle cannot ride at all. You know, lucky on this vehicle we have the software that protects the engine. When the computer sees the temperature too high like this, and shut down the engine. If without that, the software doesn't protect the engine, and then the vehicle might say bye-bye the owner. Okay, that's it guys. This vehicle needs the new water pump and bell. Put that all for this video, and keep in mind that don't be a part changer. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.